Today I'm going to show you how to replace the seals in your daylight pump. In order to do this, you will need a 4mm hex wrench and a pick. Step 1, you need to disconnect the supply from your pump. Step 2, you take the 4mm hex wrench and you undo the 3 set screws connecting the spring barrel to the wet end. Then you disconnect the spring barrel from the wet end. Sometimes the seal and spacer will get connected to the plunger. That is perfectly all right. And once those are removed, you take your new seal, place it in the fluid end, U-cup side down. Press your spacer in on top. Reconnect the spring barrel. Tighten your 3 set screws. And you're finished.